Our topic for today for our UCSP is culture and society. What is culture? Culture is a way of life of a group of people, the behaviors, beliefs, values, and symbols that they accept generally without thinking about them, and that are passed along by communication and imitation from one generation to another. Culture includes knowledge, belief, art, law, morals, custom, and other capabilities and habits acquired by man as a member of society. As you can see, nakalagay nga dito ba, kultura natin or culture is a way of life. Parang ito na kasing way na pamamaraan natin. So, itong mga kultura na ito, nakikita natin to kahit saan. Kasi nga, itong kultura na ito, napapasa ito from one generation to another. One example of culture is yung mga sayaw natin o mga dances. Pwede din yung mga musika na pinapakinggan natin. Pwede din yung mga religious activities. How about society? Society are the people who interact in such a way as to share a common culture. The term society can also have a geographic meaning and refer to people who share a common culture in a particular location. So, kung pakikita natin dito, to sum it up, mostly, society is the people themselves, kung saan nakalagay kayo sa isang lugar, meron kayong mga kultura na sinusunod at nag-i-interact kayo sa isa't isa. Like for example, itong sa jeep. Ang jeepney, meron siyang certain culture na tayo lang mga Pilipino na meron. Kaya kapag sumakay ka ng jeep, may mga ginagawa mga tao, may mga salita tayo na tayo lang nakakaintindi kapag sumasakay tayo sa jeep kasi ito ang ginagawa natin sa society natin. Culture and society are intricately related. A culture consists of the objects of a society, whereas a society consists of the people who share a common culture. When the term culture and society first acquired their current meanings, most people in the world worked and lived in small groups of small locale. Like for example, here in Bicol, we celebrate the Peña Francia Festival kung saan lahat ng mga tao dito, specifically the Catholic people, alam nila na hindi nila kung anong gagawin dito kasi nga yung mga society or the people themselves and the culture are combined. Now let's go to the elements of culture. Meron tayong dalawa. We have the material and the non-material. When we talk about material culture, this is culture that is easily divided into material and non-material. So pag sinabi natin material, ito yung weapons, machine, eating utensils, jewelry, art, hairstyle, clothing, and many more. As long as nahahawakan mo siya, that is a material culture. Like for example, dito, meron tayong mga pananamit na kung saan alam natin na kapag suot nito ng mga tao ito, alam mo agad na Pilipino sila. Pagkain, meron mga certain food na kung saan pag hinain ito sa inyo, alam nyo agad na Pilipino ito o galing ito sa atin. Even mga bahay na tinatawag natin na nipahat or bahay kubo, alam natin na ito ay Pilipino kasi these are material culture na nakikita natin at nahawakan natin. Now let's go to the material culture. So these are abstract human creations. So ito hindi siya nahahawakan pero alam natin na andyan siya. Like for example, the language, gestures, values, beliefs, rules or norms, philosophies, customs, governments, and institutions. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and then please press the like. So I'll see you again on my next topic kasi ang susunod kong topic is more of the non-material culture.